We are at SEMA 2023 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I'm here with Sean at the PRW booth. The guys at PRW understand that I really love carburetors, but they've got a brand new carburetor that I've never seen redone in like the modern era. We have a bunch of old style carburetors that have been refurbished, but this is a brand new design, correct?
This is a brand new casting, all new hardware, all new parts. Does have something that's a little bit unique. Allows you pull this plug out, takes a little Schrader valve tool, and you can adjust the primary circuit rich or lean 15%. And they will be both for automotive and marine, and 650 and 695 CFM.
So it's a very familiar design that a lot of people will recognize right away. What made you guys decide that it was time to bring this old girl back?
Basically just a hole in the marketplace. Nobody's really doing a Quadrajet anymore that's new. There's a couple people doing rebuilt ones, but you never really know how good they're going to be once you get them. And again, a lot of guys don't want to have to run an adapter if they've got a vehicle that had a Quadrajet on. They want to run an adapter or change a manifold. They just want something they can bolt on and go. And this is as close as they're going to get to getting a brand new GM carburetor.
All right, Sean, so what you're telling me is that if they pick up this carburetor, they're going to be able to bolt it on to their old school 350, 454, bolt it on almost as good as factory and get on the road and get going?
Because they're all run tested, the idle mixture screws all set, it should be ready for them to go. And then with the additional ability to tune it slightly on the primary side, any adjustment they have to make for altitude, they should be able to do.
Okay, I really appreciate it. Again, this was Sean from PRW, SEMA 2023. We'll see you guys all later.